They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need folks to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
right. And I want to be out of it. Morning, Joseph. Hi. Cannot be stupid. I was distracted. I want to buy. Going to be my eyes. Today. Back news. Morning, right? Enjoy the eyes. Now, we're looking at possible bullish continuation here. However, we are still failing to break the major high that we need to break. They are creating lows, however. So, it really does not mean anything if we cannot break lows above 792.3, much previous daily candle high. was above 61. Now that we're closing above here, I'm marking out these demands. See if we're going to close or we need the 15 minutes close above. I know you trade in Forex. I cannot tell out of place it was made to about miscegenation Asian trade. If we close above, I'm actually expecting this thing to get back to this 4-hour resistance. If there's going to be any type of pullback to the downside, 5-minute supply, I'm not expecting it to hold, but who knows. Towards the previous continuation to the downside, and it has not been tapped. Yeah, 15 minutes above. Alright, 15-minute did close above here. Still gonna pay attention to how the 30 is gonna close, how the 1 hour is gonna close. So we could be switching our bias to sales. But for now, we will be looking for buys. All right. Let's combine it. I'll be right back. Need to go use the restroom. Well, if you're here, please take over for me.
How did London session go for you guys? Bye, Edwin.
I've got nothing. She basically ranging, so I have no clue what she want to do.
Okay.
Like fail to break the highs, fail to break the lows. Bearish engulfing, next candle bullish engulfing. Damn, I'm confused.
Okay. Yeah, it was tricky. It was tricky. I tried
Did you
taking
cut?
buys.
Did you catch anything? Oh, nice,
Yeah, I
nice.
tried taking buys, but I got stopped out and then I had to take it again, and then all I did was make back my loss.
Ah, yeah. It's just so confusing. I thought like when she bearish engulfing, she gonna fall down, so I had the 5 supply marked up. And then she
Uh,
freaking bullish engulfing. I was like, shit, what do I do with this?
I've been thinking it's gonna break out all day. Looks like it's just coiling so hard to the upside.
Yeah,
I think,
but go
yeah,
ahead.
oh, okay. I think I bought there and got stopped out. And then I had to take it again, like over here. And then I'm like, fuck it, I'll just get out here because it's starting to chop. I don't know what's going on anymore.
Yeah.
Well. Oh, you were gonna say?
Nah, nothing really, basically. It's just a confusing price action for me during London, so I cannot take anything. I have no clue like what she gonna do. Like if she wanna go up, the supply still holding somehow.
Yeah. I mean, I guess like if I was still trading the the this is probably a good sell right over here because you kind of got
Ah,
like
yeah,
these
yeah.
clean candles here, right? Not much
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
resistance to come down, so you can go break even like real quick once it makes that move down. You can go break even and look
I
for
think
to try to take out those lows there.
I think it's 2 hours after the London, right? That move.
Yeah, I think so. I wasn't
Yeah,
trading anymore.
I think I was too exhausted. I've been
Yeah,
staring at the chart for like 2 hours and no volume at all and
yeah.
chopping
When you
around.
look at choppiness, it's like it's extra tiring.
Yeah, I just gave up.
8 minutes. 8 minutes for NYSE. See, even like this with gold, I don't know. I don't know. I guess the buys make sense, but man, I wouldn't be surprised if it's like just falls back in that giant range. It's kind of coming down pretty hard. Let's see. Oh God.
All right, so as you can see here, 30 minutes didn't, looks like it's not going to close above this previous daily candle high. Going back to the 5 here, since that's the case, I'm gonna have to wait for this thing to push up since we're rejecting here. Reject, come back, reject again, then we take it. Because of, excuse me, because of the failure to close above this 30 minute. Need to close above this high.
Yeah, that's the best bet. It went up like very little volume and it fell back down so hard. One minute. NYSE. 1 minute.
This the failure to close is right there. Not even interested in you, man. So, man, how big this one? Just closed. Closed rejecting. Okay.
Thank you. Nice. Ah, that's a good way to end the Friday. Nice quick trade.
Look at this candle here.
No. I took it at that bearish candle top.
This one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Risking like 13 pips, so pretty good. Got 40.
Since we failed to close above that high, come back to the bottom of this first range at least. Bottom of this first range. And we'll see what happens. We get this all set up, we'll take it. Man, breakout buyers are crying like.
Gold's been doing this like all week, like massive 180s. It's like
She rejected off of this 5 supply here. Have another 50. No. The 30 just grab nice. Oh, it's the 1 hour. Yep. 1 hour. Okay. 1 hour supply. Wasn't expecting it to reject that one.
damn, that thing's 100 pips. My God,
But
the 1 hour supply.
it's moved down.
No, the 1 hour supply. It's 100 pip
Oh,
candle. Oh damn, it's starting to move fast.
I thought you're gonna give a bottom week steeple one.
see how we react at this 5 minutes supply here. No, the 1 hour is not close.
Oh my God, this is gonna look ugly. Tiny body, giant wick to the downside and upside.
Probably gonna fill up these weeks first.
Testing London low. London low is right here. If saying, I would say grab London low and reject any of these 2 demands here. Pretty much Asian low. Come on, man, you really
Damn.
gonna flip now? Happy.
No, it did not. Man, today is not an easy day to trade.
Nah. Basement. Please. Extra kick.
You know,
Testing London low. Got London low. Yeah. Happened 70 pips up and 100 pips.
Oh, damn. You caught 70 and 100. Shit. Nice. Oof. Looks so ugly. Edwin, did Gideon catch anything today?
Nah, absolutely mess on London. Nothing to take.
Oh, okay. Damn. Damn, gold. You can see like over here, it just went crazy. Wick high, wick low, wick high, wick low. Starting to do it all over again. It's like, man, oh man. Wow, okay, yeah, that's smart. Use small size because of the crazy volatility. Yeah. Bias is still long on gold. I was biased to the long side. Not anymore. Now I don't know. Now it's just like so ugly. I don't know. I feel like any trade is so. If I take a trade, so I'm just gonna get slapped.
Yeah, the closure, the way we close of is very bad. I'm not even. Why am I not taking the demand that broke high on the 5? Well, therefore now that's the 5 minute, 15 closed above, because I had it marked here earlier. But the 30 failed to close above, therefore I cannot use that demand. 1 hour of course has not closed above yet. 1 hour closes in 17 minutes. So we might not get it set up until the 1 hour candle closes. So we only have closures on the 15, the 5 minute. Hence the reason why I am sales right now, but we gotta tap this 5 minute supply first. And since we failed to close above and we came back down inside the range, then I needed to come at least all the way back down, pretty much to the bottom of the first range. Because if we start from the bottom here, then this low right here, this agent low is going to be a minor low. But if we ignore this major low down here and focus on the first range, then this will be a major low, and here will major high, and fail to close above. So if I'm gonna buy this, we're gonna have to come down here. Fine. I don't know if that makes sense to you. Man, that New York trade yesterday took forever. But all the way to OTP.
Yeah, amazing.
Asian session has surprised me twice. Last night and the night before. Get all the close that I expected it to. What's it? Where did we take the sale again? Oh, this right here, right? Yeah. Yeah. Thought it would
Was that
come
the-
down there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
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 Thought it would come back around. I anticipated that this 5 might hold, but it's just going to hold for a pullback and then continuation to the downside.
Asian's awesome. It just like, just goes, doesn't do the crazy chop nonsense.
Yeah. If it doesn't move early, you late.
Yeah.
Still moves. Where's the still gotta held like a champ. See? On 5 minute demand, just explain the reason why they use it. Okay. Get activated sell. How to take it. Snap. 20. I feel like I'm wrong. Can take the buys. The things that they're gonna have on you. Wait and look. Same thing with the sales that I'm going to take, and I just explained the reason why I'm looking for sales right now. Damn it, can't do my flip. Okay. This is going to be 120. Not selling this market. That's fine. Stops will be 120, guys. What is my stop? It's going to be 120 of this time. Yes. Might actually be lower, but Maybe for sales below 5 minutes, the box will be nice. And take it below the 5. Price action is tricky. Beat that. Pussy. That way. Oh man.
Two
But,
minutes for the hour.
aggressive selling. You already had it. 1, 2. Got it. Looks like bias to you. That's gonna be right. But do we have a strong closure above at this point? Now, if the 1 hour time frame closes above pretty much this previous daily candle high, number one is gonna have to close strongly above it. Then the 5 is gonna have to close. Yeah, excuse me. The 5 is gonna have to close strongly much above 797.2. If that happens, then I'll start looking for buy. The 1 hour just opened previously, now close above, so we'll see. Why don't I sell from supply zone? You do realize that I'm going against some freaking bullish momentum, right? So why would I sell as soon as price taps the supply? Even if we break in lows, I don't take my entries like that.
I remember someone like said that like just a couple of days ago, and he took the L. He's like, "Sell now, bro," right? And then he took the L and he never replied to me. I was like, did you get stopped out? What happened with your trade? Guy vanished.
Super true. You didn't stop out your buys. Are you talking about the buys from New York session yesterday? Or you took a buy today? I still never did get to this this low because we took the buys yesterday over here. Okay.
Oh,
Alright, are we going to close strongly above it? Oh, the current 5? Okay.
close your eyes and sell. Sometimes close your eyes and buy works. Sometimes close your eyes and sell works. And turn off your caps.
Man,
Red
I can
US
feel the
data.
scuffness in this session already.
Hmm?
It's scuff king.
The what? The toughness?
Nah, the session is scuff.
Oh.
Like if she wanna fall, she shouldn't even do these candles.
Mm-mm. Those cases should have just rejected the supply again, but we'll see how it's gonna close there.
Man, on Forex he looks so angry. She's basically up here already.
Mm.
Forex. Oh yeah, Forex is a little bit more to the high side.
Yeah, and I think probably we need this first before the sell-off.
Yeah,
I don't know if it's
Safe.
gonna sell off.
if it does reject, they're gonna. But as it is right now, I think it's going to.
Yeah, the supply doesn't seem to want to hold. And also we
It's
are
just,
going up from a
it's,
consolidation.
yeah, the supply that we rejected. First, I didn't even know we have 1 hour supply there. I was looking at this 5 minute supply up there, especially before our resistance. That's where I would prefer the sell from, but the way it closed above the high, that was That was not a good closure. So, well, 5 closed above. Okay, okay, with 15 closed. So, in a minute, see if this 15 goes above before I use in a minute. So for now, I'm gonna use this one. See. We had a major high, and the 30 and 1 hour does not close above that major high. The first demand that we react to, I don't want to buy it from there, because that means it came back down to the range, and I'll look to buy lower. Lucky it didn't wake me in that sell. I have my entry there for a reason. You know that, right? It has nothing to do with luck. What you should be asking me, why did I have my entry not above? That's what you should be asking me, not luck. Okay, now, why did I have my entry there? Alright, here we go. So, this is the 5-minute supply. Now, this was the first candle that reacted to it. And right here, this candle, sellers tried to get in. This was the first candle that rejected it. Hence the reason why I had my entry below candle that rejected. So if it start crossing the first candle that rejected it, then I expected it to keep coming down to the downside. That's why I had it below that. So 2 entries here, which is 3787.0. Or if you want, you can take it below support. Okay, I had my entry below the first candle that rejected supply. I have seen so many cases with a setup like this. The 30-minute 1 hour will grab the highs, 5 minutes and 15 will break and close above the major high, and then we'll give something like this pullback with the pullback we were waiting for, and then it continues to the downside. Just didn't work today. It will still go up, but it will come down lower to go up because the higher time frames did not close above. As you can see, I'm not looking for sales anymore because now I have the confirmation I need to start looking for buys.
Also, trading is, there's no like 100% about it. It's just, probability. It's like, oh, maybe there's
Mm-hmm.
like an 80% chance, 70, whatever.
As you can see, in the beginning of the stream, I was with the buys. I was with it, but I'm not gonna look the buys once the 30 and 15, 30 and 1 hour, especially the 30, failed to close above the major high, and he rejected it hard. So no, no thanks.
Also, you can even tell that the actual people moving the market were, unsure of what to do because they're selling it, they're buying it, they kept selling it down, they kept buying it back up, but it kept wicking all over the place. So even they were like uncertain.
Mhm. At least the 30 had closed above. Oh yeah, I would have taken this buy and target this 4 hour resist and be done since it's Friday. If it was earlier in the week, it would be my final target.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into
Pin
your
should
hands
close.
the plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear
This
to God
5
they'll let me
days
down.
before we
I always
go
fought just
behind.
to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
All-time high inbound. Yeah, there's a high chance we could get to daily swing high. But you can't ignore this 4 hour resistance that we're pretty much close to.
Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Closes 30 seconds. Right now,
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who were you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes.
Would you place buy limit at previous swing high? Previous swing high?
Buy limit at the previous swing high?
That seems like a bad idea.
How would I put a buy limit at previous swing high?
Yeah, I'd put like a sell limit up there, if
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah, another buy.
You mean a buy stop?
I would not even put a buy stop at the swing high.
Yeah, I'd be selling at the swing high if you forced me.
Yeah.
I'd put both.
Smart.
I don't know if that's smart. What if it activate both of them, and then if we can buy limit, it's wait a minute. If you put a buy limit up there, I don't know, it doesn't make sense to me why we put a buy limit.
I mean, if you put both, you'll be good because they'll cancel each other out.
Let's still wait for retracement at this point. Oh yeah.
Damn. That is, man. My love for New York session, it's all but gone.
What happened at that previous day? Candle? If it was Asia session, we will fall. The sellers would have been successful.
But there was 2 news events. Like, there's the one like 30 minutes after New York, and then 30 minutes after NYSC.
Oh, the second one was Orange Folder. Yes, he did do something.
Yeah.
sticky stuck, I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck, can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough.
So lower time frame demand, I'm not interested in it more. I will be looking at this right. Huge demand. Happy.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature.
So I have 1 hour supply.
Me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
5 minute and 15-minute closures above the major high. I don't really trust them that much.
If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Where I send the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas,
Like
I'ma move fast.
guys we took yesterday. If the 30-minute and 1 hour did not close above the high talked about yesterday, I wouldn't have
Yep.
taken the buys. Great community here. Thank you today.
Also, with the buy yesterday, it never closed below under 30 in like the hour.
Yeah. With a little bit of volume analysis, so people, maybe 95% win. Yes, that's well. Oh, thank you.
This is why New York session's so annoying. It's like so many news events, and then when it does go, it's like ridiculous. And you know, it's like, what do you do? And then you have days like yesterday where it's like, man, the struggle is real.
I will. Doesn't give it back here. So I should give that a day.
Oh, the indices are falling very hard.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah.
Don't you just hate it when you enter a trading fast and goes up, never came back?
Only a real trader knows that pain.
And that's the one that hurts the most.
Yeah. You can't tell me there's no such thing as manipulation. Man, I can't help but think that this news is more than it seems because gold straight up, the indices straight down. It's like, huh.
Even if we're going to look for sales now, we are going to look for quick sales. We need aggressive selling. 2 to 3 bearish candles, each candle closing below the previous one strongly. Hey Matthew, how you doing? About to... Who we going to war with? I don't listen to the watch the news. The world. Man, that's a war even the mighty can't win. Very good. How we gonna
I don't know if America knows where the rest of the world is. Oh man, so it'll be glorious.
all-time high incoming? Possibly. Possibly.
All-time lows. This is going to go
Man.
straight down to 3,000.
Man, do you even know where all-time lows is? Because I don't.
Shit.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's coming straight back down.
Ever. Trillion you can have dead time low.
One day when we're like in our 80s, gold's going to go back under $1,000 per ounce, and Edwin's friend is going to go break even.
The guy's already margin call. He's gone.
Oh man. How many someone can be trading and adding to drawdowns? Keep adding. Only had to win. That's what I thought.
Yeah, it's like you're supposed to have the winners, dude. not losers.
Right. Right now, guys, once we start breaking this high, had in that position. This one you had. What do I say? Let's be talking about this minor high. Ah. I prefer major highs and major lows. That's what not minor. No, I don't think Ryan is bearish. I think he's bullish. You know, there's still a lot of traders out there who believe can only swing on the higher time frame, an hour per hour, not knowing that in order for you to even swing on those time frames, you gotta have amount of capital.
Yep.
But if you lower time frame, you have a chance of getting a much smaller stop loss. Take it in a lower time frame and swing on the lower time frame as well.
Kind of like that gold trade we took a couple weeks ago. That smashed all-time highs.
Yeah. I trade both with the E. Man, next week is just the final.
Damn.
please take over for me. I need to go. So, right back.
Okay. No. Too late. He just left. You'll have to wait for him to come back to answer your question.
There's a lot of action happening up here.
Most
A lot of-
definitely.
A lot of orders, a lot of. I've taken a very, very small sell, like 0.1, just to see. I will lose $30, so I'm going to be really pissed.
Well, while you're trading gold, I was buying the dip on NAS.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
I closed out too early.
It's okay. That's okay. As long as you had a good time.
Yep, as long as I had a good time. What'd I get? What's that? So stop loss was 15, closed out at 590, about 40 pips. This thing's still going. Where's your entry on the gold trade? Okay. Okay. Damn, that's still flying. I should have held that shit. Man. Wait, what? What? Your entry's here? Or is it up here? Where is it? Ah, okay. Gotcha. Damn, that's flying. Jesus. Let me take a look at gold. What's happening? Oh, yeah, there's a sell set up on gold. Oh well, it's too late. Too late for me.
I think Abe might like a look at this though.
So here.
Entry about around here.
No. But you got this demand right here. So you probably need it to come down, come up, fail, so then you can get the bigger retracement. Oh, hi. You're gonna make at least $30 on this trade.
It's good. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Dinner
Beautiful.
has been solved.
I'm already $20 up. That's enough for Uber Eats.
Let's go.
I'm gonna get break even. I don't want to lose it. I'm scared. Too much money on the table.
Oh my God, Naz is up 100 pips. Ah, I only got 40. I'm disappointed in myself.
If Naz is correct, then Gold's got to correct.
Yeah.
You would assume.
Yep. You would
Man,
definitely assume.
how long did it take Abe to take a piss, man? Jesus. Man, we've got some OGs in the YouTube chat today. Ryan's back. Matthew.
Yeah.
I don't know Trader E, but you're very welcome. Whoa, someone's stealing my name. I see you, Peter Pi FX. I'm gonna copyright that shit. Who do you think you are? Okay, I'm out. 40 bit. Yeah, $40. Woohoo.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. What's that?
Man, if I took that sell setup, it still hasn't hit my TP. I would be pretty upset. It missed the TP by just a couple pips and it's retracing back up. I got the risk reward tool. Sorry, go ahead.
I think you're going to see a lot of. I can really see this coming down because I think everyone's going to start taking profit.
Yeah. It is Friday, right? You know,
Yeah.
It's like you really gonna full send it all the way into the weekend overnight.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
I got that risk reward tool up, just seeing if it would play out, and man, oof, just missed that TP. But it is nice sometimes you just put a small size on and you take your trade and then it plays out or doesn't. Then you got that real live data to go off of next time.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I've got so much data. My trading the last 2 months is completely transformed.
Awesome.
Just through trial and error, through suffering.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I did not take that sell during Asian because I took the buys. You weren't there. But yeah, I took the buys up and then Ape took the sells down. But since you came on late, I decided I'd just like, you know, tear you apart, make you feel real bad.
It happened to me. Happened to me on, I think it was Tuesday, and it was I was sat on Asian session for like 2 hours, and it was like 4:30 in the morning. So I was like, right, this isn't going anywhere. No, it's dead. I wake up, Abe's taking a buy, 200 pips. Fuck. Okay. Last night I woke up like 15 minutes late, if that. I was like, okay, nothing's gonna happen in 15 minutes on Asian. Get on, you're 100 pips up. So I'm like, what the fuck?
I know it's crazy. Like that was like a no. Oh, okay, that will hit TP. Nice. It just went straight down, like just straight down for Abe. It was like insane. No drawdown, no fiddling about. God, I love trading.
Yeah, it's fun, right?
Yeah, it's fucking fun. Feels so good because, well, you know, if you're winning, I guess. I mean, if you lose a lot, then you'd probably feel like shit.
I don't know if anyone's here. I don't know if anyone's here.
Right. Okay, we play from this buy.
Man, I think just like yesterday or something, I saw there's like a short 20-minute, 20-second clip of some female jiu-jitsu match, and the lady had the other girl's back, and she was like strangling her, but she had her chin tucked, and then she was like full on cranking it against her chin, and then you heard like a loud snap sound. And then the crazy thing is, it wasn't the she immediately let go. Everyone thought she broke her jaw, and then it was the girl's arm that broke, not the
Oh,
jaw.
damn,
She broke her own arm trying to squeeze her head.
damn.
Yeah, I was like, I've never seen that before. It's like, holy moly. Didn't even know that was a thing. Oh, Trader E asked you a question earlier.
I responded to him
Oh, okay.
before I left.
Oh, okay. I was zoned out then.
I don't like this for possible sales just yet. So as of right now, it's gonna have to reject that supply again. Hope if we can at least and close below 34.6. Don't then gonna have to go back up here. And we'll see about that. This 5 flip could have the supply again. Possibly. Nope, I would take it before the minor low. This low is still weak. getting late, fortunately, and today is Friday.
I gave up.
Oh,
And
Yeah, it's probably gonna be a late one.
I know what you should do, Edwin. Just put
Yeah,
a sell order right here in the middle there, in the middle of this cluster, and just no stop loss, no TP. Just wake up
oh
tomorrow,
man.
like wake up on Monday and hope for the best. Maybe it's like down here on Monday, you know?
just down there on
That's the worst advice ever on a bullish market.
Monday. You would hope for the best.
I guess I'm gonna call it. I'm feeling so sleepy now. I'll catch you guys next week.
Have a good one.
Yeah, I'm a colleague too. It's Friday. It's pretty much 10 a.m. here. So I'm a colleague. YouTube, I appreciate you all for hanging with me this week. So I'm gonna catch you guys again next week. Hopefully, how many trades we take down New York this? Just one, because yesterday. Hopefully we take more trades down in NY tomorrow. I mean, I said tomorrow. Next week, and all wins. So I'll see you guys then. Have a good weekend. I'm out. God bless. Alright, Zoom. I will see you guys on Monday.
Have a good weekend.
Thanks, Abe.
Bye.
Have a great weekend, guys.
You too, man.